Hello friends, in this quick video tutorial we are going to see how to implement a module in Python. A module is nothing but a collection of functions. So let's see how it actually implied. To create a Python module, we have to first create a Python file with few functions. Let's create a function named as def add which takes two parameters x and y and which simply prints the addition of x and y. Now let's save this file as a module in particular folder. Let's name it as module 2, then save it. Now to use this module we have to create another file. In that file we have to import our newly created module by using import keyword import module 2. Now add function can be used by using dot operator, that is module2 dot add in brackets we are passing values. Let's say 10 20. Let's save this file in the same folder. Let's name this as test.py, then save it and let's run it. As you can see 30 is printed out. But one thing should be noted that in order to use this, both our files should be placed in the same folder. Let's test this in Python interactive mode. Let's write import, then our module name, that is module 2, and let's see what happens. As you can see, Python creates an error which says that our module is not in that folder where Python searches for its modules. To get the path at which Python searches for its modules, we have to use a sys module, that is import sys, and in that module we have to use path function, that is sys.path. Hit enter to get all the available paths. Now in this we have to just simply copy the first path and search it in my computer. Say here, copy paste it here, and be sure that you should remove all the extra slash from this path. Once it is done, hit enter to go that particular path, and now we have to copy our newly created files, that is Python module 2, copy it and paste it here. Now once again open our Python file. Let's us again try to import our module, that is import module 2. As you can see, a module is successfully imported. Now let's try to use our add function, that is module 2 dot add. Then we are passing parameters, that is 20 30, and as you can see 50 is printed out successfully. That's all for today guys. If you like our video, please hit that subscribe button below and thanks for watching.